Stop loss below this level. Take profit up there. Got a nice push to the upside on price. Again, I really would have preferred a sweep, but since we didn't get it, you know, that's fine. Looks like we're heading straight for the stop. What it is. Yeah, this will be my only trade. Yeah, stop
filled.
Woo. Just gonna take my one loss, call it a day. We come back tomorrow. 15, and I'm in.
Order filled.
Stop loss below this level. Just need a nice push to the upside on price. I want us to inverse this 1 minute fair value gap that's resting up there. One minute. Let's keep it pushing. Not looking the best here. I just want us to clearly, like, strongly inverse that 1 minute. Beautiful. So let's start, you know, managing risk correctly. So my stops goes to break even now. So stops are now at break even.
Stop filled.
Oh man. So break even on the day and
order filled.
Stop loss below this level. Yeah, nice push to the upside on price. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's get a continuation push from here. Stops are definitely at break even now. Yeah, let's move to 1 hour in profit here. So stops are moved to 1 hour in profit. I just want us to hit our full objective. We're almost there. Beautiful. Hit that. Beautiful trade. And that is exactly how we do it.
Order filled.
And I'm in. Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside on price. Let's keep it pushing. Look at that. Let's go. 10 o'clock candle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We don't need that. It's like we might be cooked here. Push us further down, yeah. Stopped out of there. Jeez, bro, what the heck? Just taking my one loss and calling it a day, guys. Peace.
Order filled.
Stop loss above this level. See if we can get a nice push to the downside on price. Those lows look very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. Look at that thing go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Nice. We've hit full TP. Yeah, right. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Anything still. Look at this price action, guys. Like, look. How, like, what can you do here? On a Thursday, too. Yeah, I want to see us break above this 1 minute to be interested in buys. Chop season. I mean, we're avoiding this chop, so it's still a win in my book. But it's just like, why has price action been so shit, bro. It's probably best to avoid trading in this chart. No real price action, nothing doing here. If I had taken any trade in any direction, I would have been stopped out. Hopefully September is much better. I have to trade every single day. A lot of day traders feel as if they have to take a trade every single day, but that in fact might be what is killing your profitability, because sometimes price just does not present good opportunities. So whenever we see that, we don't want to enter any trades. Like for example, today I saw that we were kind of consolidating around this region. So I'm like, okay, I don't really like what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna wait for either a break of this level or I'm just not gonna trade. A lot of traders will try to force trades in circumstances like this. Sometimes we just don't get any clear movement. We just get a lot of consolidation. So as I see that, I'm like, no need to risk any capital at all. And as you can see throughout the day, price kind of did consolidate and then finally picked up later in the day. And these are one of the things that separate profitable traders from unprofitable traders. Unprofitable traders always want to be involved in the market whenever they see price moving. When the market isn't presenting good opportunities, you need to stay away. I'm in.
Order filled.
Stop loss below this level. Take profit right up there. Looking for a nice push to the upside on price. Let's keep pushing. I like for us to break through pre-market highs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. I don't like how that's looking. Let's see. Sheesh, that's not looking good now.
Stop filled.
Yeah, it is what it is. Fair value gaps or IFVGs are most effective when paired with higher time frame key levels. You don't want to just take IFVG setups from anywhere in price. It needs a narrative. So in this example, before market opens, we can see that we have a 15-minute FVG resting below these lows. So we just dial down to the 5-minute time frame to see how price reacts. So now that we see that we had a reaction in the 15-minute fair value gap, if we want to see price go higher, we want to see an inversion. So now we dial down to the 1-minute time frame to try to see if we do in fact want to bounce from this 15-minute fair value gap or if we want to continue trading to the downside. So how we can do this is by drawing a fair value gap and seeing how price reacts. And you can see we inverse this fair value gap. This 1-minute fair value gap now becomes an inversion fair value gap. As we see the inversion, we can definitely take this trade. We can place our stops right below the inversion, and then we can just aim for the next resting highs. So this now becomes a higher probability IFVG setup simply because we have narrative, and then we just let it play out. You know, it does its thing, it does its thing, trades back, and then boom, we get that strong push to the upside after tapping back into the inversion fair value gap. A few longs in this inversion, and
Order
I'm
filled.
in NQ longs. Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside. It's not
Stop
look.
filled.
Oof, that was a quick one. Quick loss. Whew, in 1 minute. Didn't even give me a chance. Insane. But it is what it is. I'm in.
Order filled.
In NQ longs. Stop loss below this level. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Had to size down here due to the volatility in this market. Let's keep it pushing. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful trade. This is exactly how we do it. Probably gonna keep climbing, but I am cool with my profits. Follow for more trading content. Peace out. Go over how I was able to catch this beautiful IFVG trade live with the Discord. Around the time I like to go live, we're tapping into an FVG. There's a 15-minute FVG that I have drawn on the higher time frame. So I want to see if we want to inverse this FVG or if we want to respect it and push further to the downside. As I see that we're still within that fair value gap, I am like, okay, I want to see an inversion of the nearest bullish fair value gap. So as I see that price sweeps this highs and also taps into this FVG, I want to see an inversion of this FVG to take us to the downside. We still haven't inversed it, as you can see, and then boom, this candle inverses it. So now that this is an IFVG, I can structure myself in these shorts, place my stop above the inversion, and then I aim for about 200 ticks or the nearest lows, and then I just watch it play out. Just like that, I was done for the day, man.
Filled.
In NQ longs, stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside on price. Just got that push. Not looking too good here. Not looking too good. I'm gonna be stopped out of that one. That was a quick one. Trade just didn't play out like I wanted it to. It is what it is. Q short in the zone, and
Order filled.
I'm in NQ short. Stop loss above this level. Looking for a nice push to the downside on price. Tapping back into that inversion zone. I see a nice push to the downside from here. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep pushing. Beautiful.